To news now on the coronavirus, the University Hospital of the West Indies has provided details of the vaccine status of persons hospitalized with the coronavirus at the facility. In a media release this afternoon, the UWIH said as of this morning, 96.1% of its COVID-19 patients were unvaccinated. The other 3.9% had received one dose of the AstraZeneca vaccine. Meanwhile, the hospital says it is at capacity for COVID-19 patients, joining a growing list of major hospitals which are now full. The UWIH says it has had to make adjustments to accommodate additional confirmed and suspected COVID-19 cases. It notes that the increase in COVID-19 cases has affected care for patients with other illnesses. As a result, the hospital has reduced elective and non-emergency procedures to 50% of the usual numbers.